Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best Disney trip is probably one of the most magical experiences a family can have, but planning and packing for it can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to ensure everyone has a comfortable and enjoyable time. From navigating the parks to capturing those once-in-a-lifetime memories, having the right essentials can make all the difference between a stressful ordeal and a truly unforgettable adventure. This video will guide you through the must-have items that will elevate your Disney vacation from good to absolutely spectacular, ensuring you're prepared for every magical moment. Number 5. WATERFLY Crossbody Sling Backpack. Never lose track of your essentials again. This bag features multiple compartments, including a front zipper and buckle bag, perfect for your iPad mini, phone, and power bank. Smaller items like keys and tissues stay neatly organized in separate pockets. Enjoy your favorite tunes on the go. With a hidden earphone hole, you can easily access your earbuds and listen to music anytime, anywhere, without hassle. Wear it your way. The adjustable shoulder strap can be attached to either the left or right side, offering a comfortable fit for any user. It even includes a convenient strap pouch for your phone. Crafted from water-resistant material, this bag protects your belongings from the elements. The breathable back pad and shoulder strap ensure comfort, even during long journeys or hikes. Ideal for all your adventures, from hiking and daily outings to amusement park visits. It's the versatile bag you can rely on for any occasion. Purchase with confidence, as we offer excellent customer support. What we like. This bag is designed for those who need to keep their essentials organized and accessible on the go. Its multiple compartments and water-resistant fabric make it ideal for daily commutes or short trips. If you're looking for a compact bag that keeps your phone, keys, and other small items neatly stored, this is a great choice. What people say. The stroller is lightweight and easy to maneuver through crowded parks. The backpack has multiple compartments, making it easy to organize essentials like snacks, sunscreen, and a first aid kit. The portable fan is a lifesaver on hot days, providing a cool breeze when needed. Number 4. WATERFLY Crossbody Sling Backpack Teal Blue. This bag is designed to keep all your items neatly organized. With multiple compartments, you can easily store everything from your tech gadgets to your personal essentials. Enjoy your music on the go with the convenient hidden earphone hole. It allows for easy access to your headphones, so you can listen anytime, anywhere. The adjustable and reversible shoulder strap ensures a comfortable fit for everyone. You can wear it on either shoulder, and it adjusts to your perfect length. Crafted with breathable materials on the shoulder strap and back, it provides superior comfort, especially during long trips or hikes. Perfect for hiking, daily outings, or amusement park visits, this bag offers versatility for all your adventures. Plus, we offer excellent customer support for any issues. What we like. For travelers who prioritize organization and wrinkle-free clothes, these packing cubes are a game-changer. They help maximize space in your luggage and make it easy to find what you need. If you often find yourself struggling to pack efficiently or want to keep your suitcase tidy, these organizers will significantly improve your travel experience. What people say. The product is well designed and functions perfectly for its intended purpose. The features are comprehensive and meet all the requirements. The build quality is excellent, ensuring durability and longevity. Number 3. BAGAIL 8-Set Packing Cubes, Cream. Crafted from smooth and durable fabric, these cubes protect your clothes from wrinkles and stains. Their high-performance, water-repellent feature ensures your belongings stay safe from spills and wear and tear during your travels. The lightweight fabric neatly stores your clothes without adding extra weight to your luggage. A double-way zipper with an extended cord makes them easy to use, while the mesh top panel helps identify contents and prevent odors. Keep your clothes sorted with these multi-sized packing cubes. They help you make full use of your luggage space, saving you time by preventing misplacement of items. These organizers fit perfectly into various suitcase sizes and can even be used in carry-on bags, backpacks, or duffels. They are ideal for family breaks, business trips, vacations, and outdoor adventures. Streamline your packing and enjoy easy access to your belongings. These cubes maximize your travel comfort by efficiently sorting and organizing your clothes, saving you valuable time and effort. What we like. If you're heading outdoors and want a simple, natural way to protect yourself from mosquitoes, these bracelets are perfect. They are easy to use, comfortable to wear, and effective for adults and kids alike. For anyone planning a camping trip, hiking adventure, or just spending time in nature, these offer convenient, worry-free protection. What people say. The design is very cute and the material is soft and comfortable. It is very easy to clean and durable, perfect for travel. The size is just right, not too big and not too small, and it holds a lot of items. Number 2. Cliganic Mosquito Repellent Bracelets. Introducing our natural mosquito repellent bracelets, perfect for both adults and kids. They offer effective protection without harsh chemicals. Our bands are powered by essential oils, providing a DEET-free solution to keep bugs away. Enjoy the outdoors with peace of mind. Each pack contains 10 individually wrapped bracelets for instant and convenient protection. Simply wear one to keep mosquitoes at bay. Designed for comfort, these bracelets are stretchy and adjustable to fit everyone. They are suitable for kids and adults when used as directed. Take them on your adventures. They are perfect for parks, hiking, camping, and traveling, ensuring you stay protected wherever you go. You might notice a new look, but rest assured, it's the same great product you love. Enjoy reliable protection with our effective bands. What we like. This sling bag is built for those who carry a tablet or larger phone and need a comfortable, versatile bag for daily activities. Its spacious main compartment and thoughtful design make it suitable for work, travel, or outdoor adventures. If you need a bag that can accommodate your tech essentials while keeping you comfortable, this option is highly recommended. What people say. The design is very cute and the material is soft and comfortable. It is very practical and can hold many items, which is very convenient for travel. The product is well made and durable, and it has a unique design that stands out. Number 1. MOSISO Small Sling Bag. Introducing the MOSISO Small Sling Bag, your perfect companion for everyday adventures. It features a larger zippered compartment that can fit various tablets up to 11 inches, along with a smaller one for your essentials. Multiple pockets and mesh bags keep everything organized. The adjustable strap, ranging from 18 to 36 inches, ensures a perfect fit for your body. You can wear it on either shoulder for maximum comfort. This bag can be used in multiple ways, as a messenger bag, shoulder bag, crossbody backpack, or a casual day pack. It adapts to your needs. Enjoy easy access to your music with the earphone hole and stay comfortable with the breathable padded strap and back panel. The smooth zippers make accessing your belongings a breeze. Whether you're heading outdoors for sports, to the office, or on a business trip, this sling bag is suitable for both men and women. What we like. This is the perfect everyday carry solution for active individuals who need a reliable and comfortable bag. Its water-resistant material and breathable back pad ensure comfort during long days out. If you're looking for a versatile day pack for amusement parks, hiking, or casual outings, this bag offers excellent functionality and comfort. What people say. The design is very cute and the material is soft and comfortable. It is very durable and has held up well after multiple washes. The size is perfect for carrying essentials like sunscreen, snacks, and a small water bottle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.